Imagine, dinadrive mo ngayon ang dream car mo. Pero, biglang may nangyari. Naubusan ka ng gas. Kung walang gas ang sasakyan mo, makakarating ka ba sa destination mo? Kahit pa gaano kaganda or kabilis yung sasakyan mo, or kahit gaano pa ka-smooth ang daan, kung walang gas ang sasakyan mo, sigurado ako, hindi ka makakarating sa destination mo. Tama? In our Sante business, passion is our fuel.
Yes.
Ito yung gas na magbibigay sa atin ng energy to keep us going, turn our problems into a solution, drives innovation, and make our dreams a reality. Without passion, guys, our Sante journey stops. But with passion, walang limit ang mararating natin sa buhay. Okay lang ba magkwento how passion helped me in my Sante journey? Yes! Alam nyo, nung nagsisimula ako dito sa Sante, 3 years ago, is muntikan akong mag-quit. It was November of 2021 nung nagsimulang humina yung income ko to the point na nagpaplano na kami ni Mrs. na ibenta yung bahay namin. Ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Nag-prospecting ako, nag-present ako, and training ko yung mga members ko. Pero bakit parang hindi ko nakukuha yung success in my Sante business? Buti na lang! Pumunta si Sir Joey sa Davao noong December of 2021. At doon ko nalaman ang sikreto on how to build a strong and solid business dito sa Sante. Gusto niyo malaman kung ano yung na-discover ko nung pumunta ng Davao si Sir Joey? Ay, 5 minutes na. Ay, sorry. Kidding aside, actually it was just a casual na question and answer session with the leaders, and Sir Joey is just giving us updates kung ano yung mangyayari in the next coming years dito sa Sante. Pero, eto yung na-discover ko that turned my Sante business around. Nakita ko that Sir Joey is very passionate sa ginagawa niya. Kumbaga, gustong-gusto niya yung ginagawa niya. And yung passion ni Sir Joey is not just about building Sante as a business, kundi it's all about helping people live better lives. On that moment, guys, parang pinukpok ng bato ang ulo ko. Akala ko kasi dati, ang negosyo natin dito sa Sante is all about selling barley products and sponsoring people. Alam nyo, ano yung na-realize ko? That this business is all about helping people. Na-realize ko that the more people na matutulungan mo is the more magiging successful ka. Kaya after that meeting, alam nyo anong ginawa ko. Alam ko na may kailangan akong baguhin sa ginagawa ko. Kaya iniba ko yung approach in building my Sante business. Instead of selling barley products just to sell or just to earn for retail profit, naging passionate ako in looking for people na matutulungan ng produkto natin. Then na-realize ko na yung negosyo natin is not just about sponsoring people para lang kumita ng fast start or infinity bonus. Alam nyo, on that day, I decided to be passionate in presenting the Sante Partnership Program dahil naniniwala ako na ang negosyo natin dito sa Sante is a tool para matupag ang malalaking pangarap. Tama? And lastly guys, hindi enough na i-goal mo to build a passive income. Okay? In this industry, if you really want to build a strong and consistent income, you need to be passionate na tulungan yung mga business partners mo na maging successful in this business. always remember that their success is your success. If you genuinely care for the success of your business partners, everything else will follow. Kaya after kong binago yung approach ko in building my Santay business, eto na po yung nangyari. In 3 years, nakapag-produce po ako ng 7 direct diamond lines. At dahil ang focus namin ngayon is to help our business partners na maging successful in our Santay business, these diamonds also produce their own diamonds. And right now, we have a total of 15 diamond executive directors in Technowealth Creators. At ang masaya dito, almost all of these diamonds are qualifier this coming April sa regional travel natin. So we will be cruising sa Hong Kong, Japan, and China. Alright? At dahil nakita siguro ni Lord, no, that I am now passionate in helping my business partners, ito po yung mga blessings na ibinigay ni Lord sa akin. So nakabili na po ako ng sasakyan, that's Toyota Veloz top of the line. Nakapag-acquire din ako ng bahay sa subdivision na gusto namin. Nakapag-cruise din ako sa 2 luxurious cruise ship dito sa Asia. And lastly, nakapag-travel na po ako in 5 different countries. Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, South Korea, and New Zealand. And siguro, nakita din ng Santay that I am passionate in fulfilling its mission in helping people live better lives. I am now the top 5 Santay Elite Philippines. Guys, again, I'm showing this to you not because I want to brag, but because I want to send you a message that you need to be passionate sa ginagawa mo if you really want to be successful in our Santay business. Now, gusto niyo bang maging successful in our Santay business? Yes! Mahina! Gusto niyo bang maging successful in our Santay business? Yes! Dahil gusto niyo maging successful, pwede pa tayong tumayo lahat. Kunin natin yung cellphone natin and turn on your flashlight. Tayo tayong lahat and kunin natin yung cellphone. Guys, para in the darkest days of your Santay business, titingala lang kayo. And every time na nakikita niyo yung bituin sa langit, you will remember during our Salvo 2025 that you made a promise na gagawin niyo ang lahat para maging successful in our Santay business. Alright? So let's have a commitment now. And repeat after me. Starting today.
Starting today.
I commit to build my Santay business.
I commit to build my Santay business.
Not just because I will earn,
Not just because I will earn,
but because I believe in Santay.
because I believe in Santay.
I love what Santay stands for.
I love what Santay stands for.
And I am passionate
I am passionate
in helping people live better lives.
in helping people live better lives.
And with that, I'm Coach Ed Heronilla.